Welcome back to my channel. Today I got this kit and this is my first time to open this kit. It's so confused, that's why. So today I'm so excited, and the kit looks, let me show you guys. It's a clay kit. My favorite kit. So it has all the colors and has it don't have black, but this is blackish. So I'm gonna use that. So first, let's open this kit. I'm so excited, guys. So now, well, it comes with mini jars. Okay, we got orange and blue. Oh no. So now let's go and open this. Here, I don't know. Whoa, there's something here. Whoa, these are shapes. I don't know what shapes are this. I know this. That's a butterfly. That's a fish. That's a tree. This is a duck. The blue one is a duck. So I love these, and I may want to do another channel tomorrow at my cousin's channel. I will do the next video with my cousin in the Cousins Challenge. So tomorrow I'm going to open this and show you how it all looks. Let me first show you all it. So this is it. Let me go in. This is orange. This is white. This is blue. This is pink. This is red. This is yellow. Looks like honey and lemon. This is green. And the darkest color, purple, it looks like black. So let me show you all the shades on cats. So this how it looks like the kit. Let me show you properly. Here you go, this is how it looks like. That's all. Bye guys. I hope you love me.